Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see the MCQs of lesson 9 matrices. To solve the MCQs you need to first go through the chapter. So here in the link above I have shared the video of the exercise, solved exercise, and that will help you in solving the MCQs. So let us start with the first question here. Matrix 2, 4 and 1, 3 is a matrix of order. Here you have to see the rows and the columns. First you have to write the rows and then the column. It is row is 2 and the column is also 2. So it is of a order 2 by 2. The matrix is of order 2 by 2. 3004 is an example of. Here you can see the diagonals has a number but the other elements are 0 here. So it is of a diagonal matrix. What is the element in the second row and the first column of a 2 by 2 matrix where A is Aij such that A value is given as, you have to find the value of A as I plus 3 and J minus 1. So I is here 2, since it is given as row is 2 and column is 1. So I is 2 and J is 1 here. So Aij according to this equation you have to find, substituting I as 2 and J as 1 here in this equation. So you get the answer as minus 5. So minus 5 is the correct option. This matrix is the order of. So this is row are 2 and columns are 5. So 2 and 5. First you have to write row and then the column. So this is the correct option. Aij equal to 1 by 2 modulus of I minus 3j. Okay, where the value of A 2 you have to find. 2 means I is 2 and J is 2. Substitute I and J as 2 in this given equation. So I is 2 here and J is also 2. So it is 2 minus 6 is minus 4. But since this is modulus sign and any value in the modulus sign is positive, if you take out it from the modulus it is positive. So for negative also it will become positive. So answer is plus 2. So plus 2 is the correct option. If the order of the matrix is m into n, then how many elements will be there in the matrix? So whatever is the order, that much elements are there in the matrix. So m into n, that is mn elements are there in the matrix. X plus 10, y square plus 2y, 0 and 4. This is the first matrix which is equal to 3x plus 4, 3, 0 and y square minus 5y. You have to find the value of x here. So since it is equal to, the matrices are equal as they are order of 2 by 2, both the matrices. So this element is equal to this element. Therefore x plus 10 equal to 3x plus 4. Now take the like terms together and you get the value of x as 3. So this is the correct option. Which of the following is not a possible ordered pair of matrix with 6 elements? So you need a matrix of 6 elements. So if you multiply the order here as above we have seen for mn, so you get the answer 6. You should get the answer as 6. So this is the correct pair. So this can be the correct pair. This can also be the correct pair. But here 3 into 1 is 3. You are not getting 6 in this case. So this is the correct option. As they have asked, it is not a possible ordered pair. If A is 2, 3, 4, 8, therefore A dash. In some books it may be written as AT or A dash. So it is one and the same thing, that it is, you have to write the transpose. So what is the transpose of A in this case? So to write the transpose you have to convert the row to the column. So it will be 2, 4, 3 and 8. That will be the correct answer. So 2, 4, 3 and 8. So option 3 is the correct choice. If AB equal to 1, then B is called as dash inverse of A, whether it is additive, multiplicative or both or none of this. So if you are getting answer as 1 here, so it should be A into 1 by A, then only you are getting 1. So 1 by A means B in this case. So B is called as the multiplicative inverse of A, right? Multiply 2, 3 and 5 and 6. Now to multiply two matrices, the column of the first matrix should be equal to the row of the second matrix, then only you can multiply two matrices. right? Now in this case you can see the order here is 1 by 2, since it is one row and two columns, and for this also it is 1 by 2, since it is also having one row and two columns, right? So here in this case the column is not equal to the row of the second matrix, so therefore it is not possible to multiply these two matrices. Given in this case here it is A is this matrix, B is this, C and D. You have to find the value of AB plus 2C minus 4D. Okay, so this is AB plus 2C minus 4D. Okay, so if you multiply this one now, you can get here as, if you solve this one, this is 3 into 6 plus minus 2 into 1 and minus 1 into 6 plus 4 into 1. Here order is 2 into 2, and for this case here order is 2 rows and 1 column. So this is 2 and 2 here. So you can multiply these two matrix, and this is a matrix and a number, you can multiply it. So when you are solving this one, you are getting the value as 0 here, since this is plus 8 matrix and this is minus 8 matrix, so this is 0. So 0, 0 is the correct option, this one. The numbers used in the rows or columns are said to be the what? Elements. The vertical arrangement of numbers is called as column, and a matrix which has only one column is said to be a, which is having only one column is said to be a column matrix. Okay, so these are some of the MCQs that I have solved here. I will be doing another video on the MCQs, so you can go through that video too. So if you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Get the math.